Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to streak on Snapchat. So basically, streak is a number in Snapchat that you'll get when you snap with your friend consistently. If you break the consistency, then your streak will be gone. It is basically nothing important. People do this just for fun. So I'm going to show you how to streak on Snapchat. Let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. Once you open Snapchat, you'll have to go to your chat box. So for that, tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. It is right besides the search icon. Now first of all, to create streak, you'll have to let your friends know that you want to create a streak, because the exchange of snaps, it should be two-sided. If it's only one-sided, then the streak will not be created. That's why the first thing you'll have to do is open your friend's chat box with whom you want to maintain the streak. Then you can send a text to them saying let's streak or something like that. You can do this if you want to create streaks with only one or two of your friends. If you want to create streaks with all of your friends, then you can simply put the message saying let's streak on your story. Now to start a streak, all you have to do is exchange snaps. So basically a streak will start when you send your friends or when you exchange snaps with your friends for 3 consecutive days. After that, the longer you exchange snaps, your streaks will keep on getting longer, higher. Okay, so let's send a snap now. I'll just capture this picture and send it to one of my friends. Now, if your friend also sends you a snap back, and if this exchange continues for 3 consecutive days, then a streak will be created. And you can maintain the streak by consistently exchanging the snaps. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.